To start a manual calibration on a ZM series printer, press the Setup Exit button one time. Then press the plus button numerous times until you get to Media and Ribbon. Once you see that, press the Select button. Calibrate will now show on the bottom right of the screen. Press the plus sign to start the process. Open the printhead using the latch on the right side. Now, remove approximately 8 inches of labels from the backing and pull the media into the printer so that only the backing is between the media sensors. Leave the printhead open and press the plus sign to continue. Remove ribbon will show on the display. Now you can remove the entire ribbon, or you can push it over to the right side, keeping the ribbon away from the ribbon sensor. Close the printhead and press the plus sign to continue. Calibrating Please Wait will show on the display. The printer adjusts the scale of the signals that it receives from the media and ribbon based on the specific media and ribbon combination being used. When the calibration is complete, Reload All will display. Open the printhead and pull the media forward until a label is positioned under the media sensor. Reload the ribbon and close the printhead. Press the plus sign to continue. The printer now performs an auto calibration. During this process, the printer checks the readings for the media and ribbon based on the new scale established. It determines the label length and determines the print mode. Once it's done, it should stop between two labels so that you can tear off right in the middle of the two. Once the calibration is complete, you'll need to save the changes. Press the Setup Exit button once, you'll see Save Changes Permanent. Press the Setup Exit button one more time, it will save the changes, and now press the Pause button to take the printer out of pause mode.